Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel TNB Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about administrative controls in ISO 27799, the standard that helps protect personal health information in the healthcare sector. So if you work in healthcare IT, management or patient data security, this video is for you. Quick overview of ISO 27799. ISO 27799 is a guideline that supports healthcare organizations in implementing information security controls based on ISO IEC 27002. Its main goal is to protect confidentiality, integrity, and availability of personal health information, commonly known as PHI. One of its key focus areas is administrative controls. What are administrative controls? Administrative controls are policies, procedures, and organizational measures that manage how people access and handle health information. They are not technical tools like firewalls or antivirus. They are about governance and people management. Examples of administrative controls in ISO 27799. Here are some key examples of administrative controls recommended in ISO 27799. Information security policies. Written rules on how data should be handled. Role-based access controls, ensuring that only authorized personnel have access to certain data. Training and awareness programs, educating staff on privacy, security, and their responsibilities. Incident response procedures, clear steps to take in case of a data breach or security event. Background checks, verifying the trustworthiness of individuals before hiring them. Risk assessment, regular evaluation of vulnerabilities and threats to information. Why are administrative controls important? These controls are crucial because most data breaches are caused by human error, not by technology. Administrative controls ensures that everyone in the organization knows their role in protecting sensitive information. They also help create a culture of accountability and awareness, which is a key in any healthcare environment. ISO 27799 and legal compliance. By implementing strong administrative controls, organizations aligned with legal frameworks like HIPAA in the US, GDPR in Europe, and other national privacy laws. This helps avoid fines, lawsuits, and loss of patient trust. So to wrap it up, administrative controls in ISO 27799 are the backbone of secure data handling. They guide people, shape behavior, and make sure sensitive health information stays protected. If this video helped you understand ISO 27799 better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on healthcare data protection. Thanks for watching. Stay secure and informed.